Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Vagina Wand update. A lot of you have been leaving comments asking me how long does it take, does it stay intact, and for how long. So here we go. This is my personal one and I have had this for about 6 months now. Okay, what I do is leave it in the pack that it came in, and I usually like to do this when I'm taking a shower. So in the shower, what I do before I do anything else is I insert my Vagina Wand. This is how I do it. As you see, after 6 months, it's still very much intact, okay? Nothing is flaking and falling apart, nothing like that. And as you see, it's dry to the touch. It's not, sticky and gooey. Wet the Vagina Wand, like so. Make sure that it's nice and wet. Still, no sticky, no gooey. What we're gonna do is we're going to insert the Vagina Wand, twisting back and forth, very gentle like. As you see, as I'm twisting, I'm pushing till it starts getting tighter. Your vagina is naturally going to grab onto the Vagina Wand. As you see, as I get further into my makeshift vagina, it gets tight. And at that point, usually all of this will be in the vagina at this point. Now that is something that happens. As the Vagina Wand shrinks, you'll realize that you'll be able to actually put the entire Vagina Wand into your vagina, okay? And as it sits there, this is how you want it to be in your vagina. You don't want anything hanging, nothing sticking out between your thighs. You want the Vagina Wand to be in the vagina, where you can actually rub across and just feel the tip lightly. You're gonna sit with this Vagina Wand inside for about 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. And you're gonna do your Kegel exercises along with this. So you're gonna squeeze. You're gonna squeeze. And you're gonna work your vagina out like you do anything else. You're gonna make sure that those muscles know that when the Vagina Wand or the penis is inside of you, you're going to squeeze. So what it's doing is it's getting your vagina to recognize that you have to squeeze. And all of this helps the Vagina Wand to release the chalk and the essence that it needs. And this is how it should come out when you're finished. Okay, very slowly. Very slowly. Once you're able to grab the tip, again, we're going to do the same motion. We're going to twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. And the whole time, you should be squeezing and doing your Kegel exercises along with the pull out. Again, this is getting your vagina to recognize that it needs to work. Once it is out of the vagina, this is also a cleansing agent and a deodorizer. You may or may not see residue on the Vagina Wand, and you're going to rinse it off. You're gonna put it back inside. And you're gonna do this 2 or 3 times until the Vagina Wand comes out clean and clear. Because what we're doing at this point, the second part of using a Vagina Wand, is making sure that your vagina and your insides is completely clean. Completely clean. So just like using a bathroom and wiping yourself, make sure that when you finish using the Vagina Wand, you don't have any residue from your vagina left on this wand. And you're going to rinse it off again. Make sure that you're cleaned out properly. And you're going to take your cloth and you're just going to dab it clean. It doesn't take long for it to dry. You're going to use what you got it in, put it back together, and waiting for the next day or two for you to use it again. Again, this was just a quick update on the Vagina Wand. There's a link in the description where you can order one for yourself. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how it works out for you guys. Okay guys.